So, do you have issues on this squeaking sounds, squeaking noise when you're moving? So, to avoid this one, we can carry it and move, but sometimes we'll just pull it. So, there's a squeaking sound. So, what we'll do is we will put something here. See, there's no rubber. So, another DIY, reduce, reuse, and recycle. So we will cut this one, another extra. This is better one here. So we'll get a little longer here. So just in case, we will use because this is a good one, fused one. So we'll cut longer here. So we might use this one for extension cord. So this is not waste. We'll keep it. So use this cutter from here. We'll cut open here. Riley. Hmm? You want to help Riley? Hmm? Riley, you're samukan, Riley. You have to be careful with the cutter. It's okay now. It'll just go through. Okay, try to make it straight, but if it's not, it's okay. There's somebody who can help you to hold. It's better. The end. That's it. That is okay. Okay. We'll just continue.
Two 2,000 years later.
So it's open until the end. So I remove. So as for my previous blog about that sitting stool, I put some U- UTP cable. Remember this one from the bottom part of the bottled water, 5-gallon bottled water. So I make a stool. Then I put some cushion here, UTP wire, but that one is little soft or not so not more cushion in it. So since we are putting that cushion for the electric fan, so I already removed the UTP wire. So that one, see, we stick this one with the glue gun. But this one, as I said before, we will change to this electrical cable, so no need to put the glue gun. Just push. I already measured this one.
Oh no!
See, no need for the glue gun. thicker than the UTP wire. So we'll do for the electric fan. So now for the electric fan, I have half of that cable which I already also cut. We remove also the wire inside. Same procedure. As you can see, I hope it's visible. So we can start from here. Start from the middle. I hope we have enough. Anyway, there's rubber here. So maybe we'll start from this side. And just push. You can open here by doing like this. Put your finger and push. See? Open, slide, slide and push. Simple. You can push, but it will be difficult. So again, we do the technique. Open from here, then slide, push, slide your four fingers. It will be open. See? Push, open again, slide. So I think we need to stick here from the start and end also. But we'll see. We'll see. And I think we need to stick the end. It's okay because once you put it down, it will push. I think the problem is here in connection. This is protruding. So maybe we can cut from this side. Then it will stick on it. I think no need to put. I think no need. Once you put this one down, it will push. I think it's okay. We will avoid melting rubber from glue gun. So no need. So we'll check if there's still squeaking sound, squeaking noise. So we still have extra. Now it's testing time.
Eventually.
So fixers, while I was bringing this one inside, the end part, the end parts, both ends, it was removed. So
Oh
it's better to
no!
stick it with a glue gun. So I only stick it with on the end only, both ends. So here, it's okay. See? Okay. So no more squirting sound. So we use one like this long power cord, cutter, pliers and cutter, glue gun. That's all we need. That long cable, we're able to use it for two items. So maybe I will stick this one also. Since the glue gun is hot, I will also stick the end. See, it's thicker than the UTP cable. More caution. Thank you. Goodbye, fixers. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.